2, but 3.
My name is Beau Brasfield, and I am a junior at Papa. I take advanced choir, musical theater, advanced ballet, and piano. I love my school because it allows me to express myself in a unique way. It is a place where I feel free to be who I am and don't have to worry about what others think of me.
Welcome to the Dr. Croc Wildlife Show. Last week, we hunted the last remaining species of green swallow. This week's episode, we hunt the blue-footed booby. Boo-boo, ksh, boo-boo, boo-boo, ksh, boo-boo, ksh, boo-boo, boo-boo, ksh. Alright, looks like we've come across its lair. Let's see what's inside. Oh, crikey! It's aiming its long, slender beak at me. That's its signature striking pose. It's about to attack. Stand your ground. Oh,
Good evening, and welcome to the Papa Evening News Hour. This is Gabrielle Ortega Armitage. We begin tonight with the sudden blizzard that has engulfed the Rockies, icing up roads and stopping all transportation routes from both the East Coast and the West.
I'm Melissa Trujillo, and I'm in the 6th grade. At Papa, dancing has gained me more confidence. It has also made me a better performer. This has also let me be myself.
What do they want with us? Why did they come to Earth?
The only explanation is they came to destroy us.
Well, what can I say?
So call now!
To which he replied, well, why don't we pop over to the cafe near St. Paul's and grab a cuppa? After that, we can cross the Millennium Bridge and, I don't know, walk over to the Tate Modern or visit the Globe. You know, be a couple of tourists.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Parlez-vous français? Oui, oui.
C'est n'importe poton, c'est bien, je suis.
Here is your host, Geraldo Rodriguez, and the Jerry Rig Band.
My name is Casey Combs. I am a 6th grader at the Public Academy for Performing Arts. The reason I love Papa is because you get to express yourself through the arts and be who you want to be.
Les Sirènes, the new fragrance for women from the house of Les Chatenois.
Bienvenidos al show de esta noche. El programa de hoy estará dividido en 2 secciones. Tenemos una entrevista con una bailarina de Papa, pero primero, flamenco de...
Good evening. My name is Tanaka Setsuna. I am on Mount Fuji, and it is raining.
My name is Jasmine Marquez, and I am a junior at the Public Academy for Performing Arts. I really enjoyed attending Papa because I love to dance. Papa has been my only training in dance and has opened a lot of doors for me in the dance world, as well as many other opportunities in modeling, singing, and acting.
Thank you, Tamaka, for that report from the top of Mount Fuji. Stay warm. We move next to the business reports.